Howdy folks, today I'm going to be assembling a vise base with a parrot vise adapter pin. First I attach the bottom plate to my steel workbench, put the ball in place, and then the 3 springs, the top plate. Then I put in the 2 3/8 bolts in the back. Run them in until they are at the right depth. Then I attach the 3rd bolt, which is also the T-handle, and take it down. And I just want to make sure everything is pinching correctly. I like where that's at. Now I will thread on the parrot vise adapter pin once I remove the side washer. This is held in place several ways. First, I insert a tightening bolt that I have, tighten that down. Once I'm all the way tight with that, I will grab a small Allen wrench and tighten up the brass set screw that goes in the side and locks onto the threads. I then run the jam nut up, and I get several wrenches. The ones going on the stud, I double it up, and then I grab another 1 1/8 wrench, really tighten it down, make sure it's secure. Then I'll put the side washer back in place. It ships with this washer. Make sure everything is functional. I like where it locks down at. Remove it from the table, and then I will do the process over and over again. But there's the final product right there. Thanks for watching.